Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Lloyds card is not showing in the mobile app, it may not be properly linked or activated. First, start by logging out of the app and logging back in. Then, check that your card is active and not expired. If you recently received a new card, make sure it has been activated according to the instructions provided. Then, ensure that the account connected to the card is still open in a good standing. Then head over to your app store, search for the Lloyds mobile banking, and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. Updating an app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update it. If the card still does not appear, contact Lloyds customer support to confirm that the card is correctly linked to your online banking profile, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.